Hi guys, kumusta? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyo kalimutan na mag-subscribe at sipahin na rin tiny bell button dyan sa baba para updated kayo kung meron ako mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel. At para sa video ito, another reaction video na naman ang gagawin ko. So magre-react ako guys dito sa cover song ni John Hebron Ekal. Alam niyo naman ako guys na si John Hebron yung isa sa pinaka-favorite ko na young singer ngayong generation na to. Ganda-ganda talaga ako sa boses niya, guys. Since The Voice Kids pa lang, siya na yung talagang bias ko, 'di ba? And eto nabuo na yung TVK Kid Trio na si John Hebron, si Nevin Adams, saka si Makmak. Yung tatlo na yun talagang gustong-gusto kong napapanood mag-perform. Sobrang galing nila mag-perform, ang ganda ng boses nila. Talagang pag nagsama-sama silang tatlo, grabe, sobrang husay nilang umawit talaga. Talagang, ang tawag dito, ang lakas ng chemistry nila, ang telegenic nila sa screen. Tapos pag nag-perform, wow, jaw-dropping performance talaga yung binibigay nila. Yun, no? Ang dami kong sinabi, no? Kaya tara, play na natin. So here we go.
For your mercy never fails me.
Galing.
All my days I've been held in your hand.
Grabe yung voice tone niya, no?
From the moment that I wake
Ang linis kumanta.
until I lay my head, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. 'Cause all my life you have been faithful. All my life you have been so, so good.
Awesome.
With every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God.
Grabe.
I love your voice. You have led me through the fire in the darkest night. You were close with the broken.
Galing.
Known you as a father, known you as a friend, and I have lived in the goodness of God. 'Cause all my life you have been faithful. All my life you have been so, so good.
Grabe. Tago sa heart.
Every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. Your goodness is running after me.
Galing.
Your goodness is running after me. With my life laid down, I surrender now. I give you everything.
Oh, grabe, kinikilabutan ako.
Your goodness is running after me.
Grabe naman, John Hebron.
Goodness is running after me. Your goodness is running after me. With my life laid down, I surrender now. I give you everything. Your goodness is running after me.
Galing. Grabe. Sobrang galing talaga ni John Hebron Ekal kumanta, no? Sobrang linis kumanta. Tapos pag kumakanta kasi si John Hebron, hindi lang siya basta kinantay eh. 'Di ba? Para siyang nagkukuwento habang kumakanta siya. 'Di ba? Tapos pag kumakanta siya, may emosyon talaga. Nagagaling sa puso. Kaya damang-dama natin yung kanyang pag-awit. Alright? Kung gusto niyo to guys, bigyan niyo to ng malaking likes. Mag-comment kayo kung meron kayong mga request na video na pwede kong gawin dito sa aking channel. Bye po!